Hi everybody, I'm Tim Harvey, former BTCC and Carrera Cup champion, and I'm here today at RPM Technik to talk about brakes, and most specifically surface transforms brakes. So who are Surface Transforms brakes? Well, they're a Liverpool-based UK company obviously, who design and develop carbon ceramic brakes, both for automotive use and also for the aircraft industry. So we've assembled three brakes here. We've got the Surface Transforms carbon ceramic brake, the Porsche ceramic brake, and a standard steel Porsche brake. The standard steel disc, most commonly fitted to Porsches, weighs 10.8 kilos. Moving on to the optional Porsche ceramic disc, this weighs in at 6.18 kilos, so a big saving over steel. But the Surface Transforms brake weighs in even lighter at just 5.88 kilos, despite being thicker material. The big difference is in how they're made. The standard Porsche composite disc is made up of discontinuous or chopped up carbon fibre, which is crushed together to form the disc. You can see that quite clearly here in this one that's had a chip taken out of it. However, the Surface Transforms brake is made in an entirely different way. It's made out of a continuous weave of carbon fibre, which is layered together and pinned together to form a much stronger, more durable and better performing disc. The benefits to you, the customer, are twofold. The weight will affect the way the car drives. Dynamically, it will be much more reactive, responsive to lighter weight, because unsprung weight is the absolute enemy of handling. Secondly, because of the way the Surface Transform brake is made, it will be much more durable. This means you can hit the pedal harder, you'll get greater retardation, you'll get no fade, you'll get no brake dust covering the wheel, and it'll last much longer. So why would I want to fit Surface Transforms brakes? Well, if you're a track day addict and you want to beat my lap times, then you're definitely going to need them. Secondly, you may want to take off your original Porsche ceramics so you don't damage them and store them away for when you sell the car. That's a good option. Or thirdly, because you want to upgrade your standard steel brakes, either because they're worn out or because you want greater performance, and you can fit Surface Transforms to your standard steel calipers. I fitted these to my GT3 and the performance gain was immediate, both in terms of feel on the brakes. I could hit the brake much harder, the retardation was consistent and fade free, and the final benefit to me is that these discs are far less prone to chips and can be resurfaced up to 3 times. The range of Surface Transforms is ever expanding, so call Lydia here at RPM Technik for availability and fitment pricing.